In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bluebeam Studio Session. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a collaborative space in Bluebeam so your team can start working together without friction. Think of Studio as your hub for file management and real-time collaboration. Projects help you organize and control access to files, while sessions power simultaneous markups. We'll start by creating the project that will anchor your collaboration and then share it so your team can jump in. With Bluebeam Revu open, begin by clicking File. You'll find this in the top left corner of the interface. The File menu is your command center for setting up work, and opening it ensures you're using the standard workflow that Bluebeam expects. It's a small step, but it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, click New Studio Project. This creates the secure workspace where your documents will live. You'll typically be prompted to name your project and, if you like, add a short description so teammates understand the purpose right away. Use a clear naming convention that includes the project name, phase, or date so it's easy to find later. Once you confirm, Bluebeam provisions the project in Studio and gets it ready for sharing and collaboration. If you see a Studio panel docked on the side, you'll also notice your new project listed there, which makes it easy to reopen and manage. Now click Share to share the session. Share is usually visible in the project toolbar or within the Studio panel when your project is selected. Clicking Share opens options for inviting teammates and setting the right access. This is where you decide who can view, upload, or edit, and whether they can save markups back to the project. If your work is time sensitive, consider adding an expiration to the invitation so access closes automatically when you're done. You can include a short message to give context, like what files to review, or the deadline for comments, which helps people jump in efficiently. Once you send the invite, your collaborators will get a notification and can join using their Bluebeam account. That's the full flow. Click File, click New Studio Project, and click Share to bring your team in. With your project shared, you've created the foundation for live collaboration. As your work evolves, you can leverage Studio's real-time markup capabilities from the files in your project to keep everyone aligned and moving forward.